Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a review to a service or a restaurant on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select an option which is either restaurants, coffee shops, and then select your particular company to which you would like to add your feedback, and then click on this more button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the first option, add review. Here you should select the number of stars you would like to give, here are some recommendations that you might want to consider in your review, such as the food, service, and ambience. And then you should type in your text, your written review. As you can see, you can also add pictures and photos. So if you tap on it, you will be able to either take a picture or select a picture or video from your gallery after confirming your account via your email address. And when you are done, click on the post review button down below, so that you will be able to send your review after considering these features. So as you can see, it has been there's a check mark icon appearing next to the aspect that you have mentioned, and after that you will be able to click on the post review button down below. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.